Alright, today we got white skies, cloudy skies, and rain. We're at 44 degrees right now. Slight breeze. I'd say it's coming from the southwest. Alright. Good, all the snow is melting. Alright, today is December the 27th, 2024, Friday. Yeah, it's about 1:43 p.m. right now. Got a little rain. So not much to see or say today, but Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Alright. And keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. Alright. It's going to be looking like this for the next few days. So click that like button, hit that subscribe button, that always helps. And yeah, I shall talk to y'all later. Keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. Alright.